recovery can be sliced and diced in any way across all of the different types of schools that we have in our ecosystem. With our credit recovery options at American Virtual Academy, it is an adaptive and dynamic course. So because we are accredited, because we are NCAA approved, if you have a student or you know someone that's failed a course or has a course that's really affecting their GPA, and we know how rigorous college admissions are right now, they can take one, two, as many credit recovery high school courses as they like. And so what I'd like to do is kind of show you the path of this credit recovery course where a student is presented, you can see here, with a regular test. It's their pre-test. And I'm going to, through the power of pre-recording video, I'm going to skip through a little here and show you what happens after I'm a very smart ex-math teacher, takes this test. So I submit my results, and the magic behind the screen will tell me, congratulations, you passed this pretest. So out of the 6 units in this credit recovery course, unit 1, I passed the pretest. Now, what happens after I pass it? You'll see down here my little numbers going up, 98, 99, 100%. What that did is it automatically excused me through the entire unit. It's like it unlocked it and gave me a check, 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 excused as a student in my grade book. So now the student can always go back and revisit any of that knowledge, but let's save their time. Let's lessen their cognitive load and now let them jump right into the next unit. And if you see the grade book here, I'm looking at a student grade book. We use Canvas. As I sort it to the module, like the unit, because we looked at the first unit, you'll see here that the student's first test, I got a 91% on it, go me, is there, but everything else is excused until they get down to unit 2. So when we're talking about students that, maybe it was a bad environment for them, maybe they just made silly mistakes, they were not ready for this, they can very easily and efficiently use these credit recovery courses.